Here's the Melissa and Doug toy chest. It's a really nice toy chest that doubles as a bench, so you can actually use it to sit and like do activities or read books. Also, if you open the toy chest, you'll see that it has these hinges that allows the toy chest to stay open, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing down onto anyone's fingers, and the kids can play as long as they want with the toy chest open and dig around for whatever toys they're looking for. It also has these great handles on the side where you can easily transport the toy chest. It's fairly lightweight. You could potentially use a second person to help you to make it easier, but it holds a lot of toys and it's great quality. It doesn't have any rough edges or pointy sides. So I think it's a really safe product to use in your toy room. Keep watching to learn more about how to assemble it.